Meet attorney Randall Albright.
The water's a little warmer, and it's a lot of nice beaches and clear water, and people are very nice. So there's a lot of welcoming, and that makes me feel at home.
Albright, among other lawyers, recently brought on as a prosecutor with the Guam Attorney General's office.
He has the experience as a prosecutor to protect our community, which was the mandate that I saw of the reason why I'm here as the Attorney General, and I have complete confidence in him.
But the local legal community is questioning the hiring. The concern making its way to KUAM, highlighting a report published in Hawaii a year ago. It states Albright was separated from his job as deputy prosecutor in Hawaii County. The report also stating Albright had disputes with neighbors that have resulted in police responses and restraining orders. Adding in 2021, he allegedly threatened a neighbor's teenage son with a firearm if he didn't stop riding his dirt bike in front of his home.
Well, when you have prosecuted cases for over a decade, you're going to have some animosity in the community, and part of that is when you see a crime you have to report it, and that's what happened to me on my own street. That particular case was dismissed. There was a resolution with the neighbor who was a previous defendant, and there was no substance to any of the allegations, and the actual case was dismissed with prejudice, means that it had no merit.
Another questionable hire shared with KUAM is for attorney Stephen Cody. In 2010, Cody was publicly censored by the Rhode Island Supreme Court for committing a host of ethical violations, including exhibiting a disturbing pattern of neglecting matters involving clients.
Let's talk about what an ethical violation is. This is not a crime. When you're talking ethical violations, and yes, Mr. Cody was vetted by myself. He made it very clear. He was an elected official, I understand, at the time. There was a question whether or not his client was receiving the amount of attention that his client wanted. It was adjudicated and resolved without taking his license away.
A.G. Moylan has since hired 19 attorneys to fill the prosecution division, with more to come. With the concerns lingering over his hiring decision, Moylan adds,
I think, as some famous attorneys on Guam have stated, you don't go as far in your legal career without having dings on you. You're in an aggressive fighting position when you're an attorney. You're there to promote the interests of your client. As all of these attorneys in front of you, they're experienced attorneys. They're not young attorneys right out of law school.
Julianne Hernandez, KUAM News.